Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install OpenLDAP on Ubuntu 24.04. First, start by updating the system. Next, install OpenLDAP and the LDAP utilities. If the configuration wizard does not appear, run the following command. Continue to check the service. Then, test the LDAP server. Now, run the following command to install PHP-LDAP admin. Next, edit the configuration file. Update the following lines. Continue to edit the Apache configuration. Insert the following line. Then, restart Apache. Next, create the base LDAP structure by creating the LDIF file first. Add the following lines. Then, import the structure. Next, add an LDAP user by creating the user file first. Continue to add the following lines. Then, add the user. Next, run the following command to install certbot. Continue to request an SSL certificate. Choose the option to redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS. Now, you can access OpenLDAP by the following URL.